Welcome to another episode. Today wetin we wan teach you na how to replace sew. If the sew don spoil, how you go change am. So first off, when you wan change the sew, you go first comot the sew wey don spoil before, and na wetin we dey do so be this. We dey comot the sew wey don spoil. So after we don comot the sew, we go come use that sew measure am on top this sew leather this sew material wey we get. So we go use am measure the sew, and na wetin we dey do so be this. After we measure the sew finish, we go come dey use scissors take dey cut am out according to how we measure am on top this sew wey we get so like this, and na wetin we dey do. After we don cut am out, we'll come apply gum. We'll come put gum for this bottom of the shoe. So other part where we open that time, we'll come put gum for that side. Then allow am dry. Then we'll come put am back as we meet am first when we dey comot the sew. After we don put am as the way we take see am carefully, we'll come put gum for all the body side so that we go fit apply that sew wey we just newly create, so that we go apply am on top am. As you see, they apply gum for the body of the sew. As you see, I'm still they apply gum for the body so that the gum will catch am well, and when it dey time to gum am, it go gum well. After we don apply gum for the body of the shoe, we don cut this part out, the sole of the sew, the sole of this place, so that you go get placement for ground. So we dey apply gum on the other side and for this side. When it don dry finish, we'll come join them together before we come apply gum for the body wey we go join to the leather of the shoe. Also, that place where it be like say na white, they don't file am so that when they go gum am, it go dey smooth. You see am, it don't dry and they gum am to the body. You see as it dey fit together. So that's why you go do that part. Then we can use hammer, take knack am, make take gum together. As you see, as the shoe repairer they do am, they use hammer take the knack am, make it together. Then the parts wey no gum well, you dey use super glue take the gum am together. The place where gum no catch, you dey use super glue take gum am together as they see am so. Then after you don't do that one finish, you notice say e get some e get excesses where they try they cut out with the blade where you get so for your hand. So after I don't do am, you go need file am, and by this time light no dey, so you dey use the normal hand sandpaper take the file am for here. So if you no get machine and you want quickly do this so replacement, you fit dey use sandpaper take the sandpaper and make take file. Although it go take more time, but you still fit achieve wetin you want me achieve. So for here, you can dey use machine take the file am well. This one go dey easy and you go do the work well. So after you don't use a machine take file am well, you can apply gum for the body of the sole where they just built. After you don't apply gum for that one, you can apply gum for the bottom of the leather where you don't put gum before. Then you can put gum again for the body, make it hold the sew well. After the gum don't dry, you can apply the sew for the leather, and you dey do am carefully. If they say you dey do am carefully, make it take gum well. After you don't finish to do am, come carry am to the table with a hammer. Take hammer am well, make the sew take gum well for the leather. And if you follow this thing step by step, you don't dey good to take repair sew.